Today I'm teaching you and dear Ellie how to talk like a native speaker using idioms and slang words. Without further ado, let's go. So last night my friend Jason called and he said, "Hey man, we have a great opportunity to invest." And I was like, "Okay." And he said, "Yeah, you have to invest, you have to come, and it's a great deal." And I was like, "No, you know why? Because I don't even buy a used car from him."
What do you mean?
It means I don't trust him. Yeah, he's so naive and he just can't be trusted. I mean, that's his character. So, in American English, when you want to say you don't trust that person, you can say, "I don't buy a used car from him."
I don't buy a used car from him.
Yes, a used car that you can, you know that you can get it like cheaper, but you want to say, "Hey, I don't trust that person." So you can say, "I don't even buy a used car from him." So, do you trust me?
That's great.
Can you buy my used car?
Yeah,
Really?
I can trust you.
You should not. And you know what happened after that?
What?
I mean, the Jason called and I was like, "No, dude." And he did 180.
What?
Yeah, he did a 180, Jason.
180.
Yeah, he was like, he changed his mind suddenly.
Oh.
Yeah, he was like, "Hey, no, you know what? I just don't want this deal." So I was like, "Dude, I told you." So this means, I mean, that guy can't be trusted. So when like the phrase like that, he did 180, it means he changed his mind suddenly.
180.
Yeah, like 180, like you just turn around. Yeah. Hey, Ellie, have you tried boxing?
No.
Oh, come on, I tried. And let me tell you, that's no walk in the park.
No walk in the park?
Yeah, that's
What
no
do you
walk
mean?
in the park, yo. It's just, it means it's so difficult. Yeah, like the first 3 or even 6 months, you just have to get hit. I mean, they're gonna hit you
Yeah.
so bad, and you're like, "Hey,
A box
where am
fight.
I?" Yeah, and you're like, just receive a punch in your face, and after a while, and just another punch and another punch, and you're like, "Hey, where am I? Just stop punching me, please." And they say a good boxer should, I mean, a person who's a good boxer should be able to receive like hard and like difficult punches and don't panic and be just
Oh my
steady.
God.
Yeah,
It
so
sounds so hard.
yeah, it is actually. I did karate as a kid. I was
too.
I was the karate kid. Yeah, really? Just bump this. I was the karate kid. I was like 6 or 7. I had the yellow belt. Okay? Yeah, I had the yellow
I
belt.
had green.
Oh, so no, it was at the beginning. It was just starting it. And there was a guy, not guy, another kid, because that guy was like older than me, or
Yeah.
3 or 4 years older than me. It was like a guy, you know. He had like brown belt. It's like one belt up to like black belt, like master.
Yeah.
And so the brown belt is also very professional, you know. And there was a competition, like karate match, like inside the gym, like. But and another, like, he had lots of friends. I mean, the brown belt guy, and I don't know why, but they all we faced. I mean, I just won a match, and the next match was with this brown belt guy. So I don't know why, but all his friends, they came and they just cheered me up. And they was like, "Hey, let's go, Maja. You can do this. You can beat him."
Really?
Yeah, because they were joking. And I was a kid. I was like, the yellow belt. I would just started karate. So
They kind of mug you.
yeah, and no, they didn't mock me. No, they wanted their friend to lose so they could mock him.
Ah.
So they wanted to, hey, he beat you. So yeah, and I did. By the way, I was like, I started punching and using my like feet, and I didn't have a rest. Just for 1 second, I was like this, like he was like, what the
What
hell is he
happened to
doing?
him?
What is happening? and I don't know how, but I won it, and I still have the medallion. Yeah, it's just.
God helped you.
Yeah, I still have the medal, and it's just so that's one of my achievements in life, greatest achievements in life. But you know, just
It's
boxing.
too small to be the greatest.
Yeah, but I mean, no, yeah,
For
no, it's
that
just,
age, yeah.
yeah,
It
just
was
one
a-
of I said one of the
Yeah, it
let's.
was an achievement.
Yeah, it was, and it still is. Come on, and but boxing, I mean, oh, that's different.
So hard.
Yeah, it is hard. I don't know. Hey, just have you noticed my new hairstyle?
Yeah.
It's because of the boxing. No, I'm kidding. I just wanted to. Hey, I'm the same
It looks
teacher,
good on
really. Yeah, really? Thank
Yeah.
you. But yeah,
What do you think?
what do you think? Tell me in the comment. No, they all gonna say, hey, we hate it. We hate it. No, please don't hate me. I love you. Okay.
Write on comments.
Yeah, right? Come on. When you say like that, they all gonna like, hey, we hate it. Just reverse it. But I can't reverse it. It's done. In American English, when you want to say, I'm not believing what you said, you know what you say?
What?
You will say, I'm not buying it.
I'm not buying it.
Yeah, I'm not buying it. That's just bullshit, yo. Just stop.
Ridiculous.
Yeah, it's ridiculous. Stop bullshitting me. Yeah, when you want to say, I don't trust you, I don't believe in what you're saying, you will say,
I won't buy it.
I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
Yeah, I don't buy it. Not, I don't
I
buy
don't
it.
buy it.
No, 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 no. I don't buy it. I don't.
buy it.
Yes, stress is on buy it. I don't buy it, and you will like your head is like I don't buy it. Just as a
I don't
girl,
buy
you can
it.
do that, but as a guy, I cannot do that. Just no, but
But you do this better than me.
but because I'm a good teacher, just because of that, not because of something else. And so yeah, I don't buy it.
I don't buy it.
Yeah, I do it like in a classy way, like I don't buy it.
And I do.
Okay, so
It's my way
yeah,
or highway.
okay. I can't walk properly these days. You know why?
Why?
Because I had an accident like 2 weeks ago. Yeah.
What happened?
I was just walking, and there was a car. It hit me, and it wasn't just like fast, but just slowly it came into me. I was like, is it coming? Is it like coming to me? I was thinking. I was like, yeah, it did. So, but thank God, that was like, I kind of managed to save it. So I can say, that was a close shave.
That was a close shave.
Yeah, that was a close shave. It means,
It might cut
yeah.
your neck.
yeah, it might just like went bad, but it didn't. So that was a close shave.
That was a close shave.
Shave, like when
That
you're
was a
shaving.
close shave.
Yeah, that was a close shave. Like, but if it wasn't a close shave, I would be into heaven.
Oh,
But right
teacher.
now, I'm here, so
Teacher.
yeah, I'm healing. But yeah, I'm good. But yeah, that was a close shave. Oh, you know Jason?
Yeah.
He flaps his gums a lot. He flaps his gums a
Flap
lot.
His gums a lot.
You know what does it mean? It means he talks too much. Yeah, he's just talking, and it's just so annoying. When he's around, I'm just in my cell phone, just trying to say, hey, I'm myself, don't talk to me. But he's just over and over, and yeah, he's like a chatterbox. He won't shut up. I mean, he talks a lot.
Chatterbox.
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 Yeah, so he flaps his gums a lot.
He flaps his gums a lot.
Yeah, it's like, but you can say it in a more native way.
How?
Flaps his gums a lot. A lot.
Flaps his gums a lot.
Yeah. You don't hear the T sound at the end, so you should say it like that. Yo, he flaps his gums a lot. Yo.
He flaps his gums a lot.
Yeah, he flaps his
Wow.
gums a lot. Great. You're good. You're natural.
Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, do you have friends who they're like this?
Not friend, but my coworker. Not you. My coworker.
Okay. I
His
was.
gums a lot.
What's his name or her name?
Uh,
No, don't tell me. Don't tell me. I'm sure that it's me.
I need to think.
No. Am I?
No, it's not you.
I'm just teaching you.
Yeah. You're not my coworker.
Yeah, I'm your
You're a
teacher. I'm not your coworker. But yeah, I do had a coworker. I mean, like 5 years ago. Oh, chatterbox. I mean, sometimes you feel like talking to a person. I mean,
Yeah.
you have a conversation, and it's going great, and you just enjoying it. But sometimes you don't want to. I mean, you're not in the mood.
Yeah.
They should read it from your face.
And we shows it.
Yeah,
but
we
they
should
won't
with
get
our
it.
body language. And we're like, oh yeah, okay. But they're like, oh, why don't you shut up? Please shut up, for God's sake. Ellie, what you doing tomorrow morning? I want to go for a run, and I want to take you with me.
No, I'm too busy.
In the morning.
Yeah.
Busy what? Busy doing what?
Mm,
That's the cop out. That's a cop out, and you
What?
know it. That's a cop out. It means
what does it mean?
that's just an excuse.
No.
That's just an excuse, and you know it. Come on.
No.
In the morning, I know you have nothing to do.
I need to study my lessons.
Oh. Now you want to.
I'm a
Now you
good
want to
student.
study, and now you want to study. Come on. Come on.
No, it's not a cop out.
Okay, but you know, you don't use it that way, but you want to say, hey, that's just an excuse. You say, hey, that's just a cop out.
That's just a cop out.
Yeah, that's just a cop out. So don't do this to me. Okay, but no, believe me or not, just I was like, wanted to do this, but after the incident and my back,
Yeah.
because of my back, I couldn't do it like every day. And I did it just, no, I didn't. I didn't even just for once, but I want to. I mean, if I find a person who's, I mean, in for a like walk or run, and I can go, but I don't have that person. I mean, I need to be pushed. I need someone to push me
Yeah.
for like walking, for just going to gym. I mean, we all
For
do
everything.
need for everything, even for, I don't know, eating. I do need my friends to be around, say, hey, let's eat. Because I don't know why, because like,
The vibe is.
yes, but all my days, like before, I had roommates always, but right now I don't have roommates, and that's bothering me. I mean, I used to having
It
roommates.
gets weird.
Yeah, it gets just a little weird. I used to have roommates a lot, so now I cannot live by myself. Because we all, boys, like we were calling our other friends, they came over and we were just watching movies together, we just
Yeah.
cooked together. It was like fun, you know? Us boys, like manhood, man cave. And we were doing lots of things. I mean, our talk and energy was like good. But right now, when I'm alone, I mean, I don't have any mood and feelings. And that guy, my friend, he just...
That's a cop out.
Okay, somebody's learning.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm a
great.
good student.
Yeah,
I
great.
told you before.
But yeah, actually, I do need someone to push me for this. But you're not going to be the one. Just
What?
copying. You're not going to be the one. Just copying out. So that was all about today. If you like this video, please like it. Write me in the comments where you're from. And subscribe my channel, because maybe not today and maybe not tomorrow, but someday you're gonna need this, believe me. So yeah, that was all about it. You want to say something?
No.
Okay, so until next session, and also please watch other videos as well. They're great, gonna blow your mind. So until next session, I mean tomorrow, have a great day. Bye guys.
Bye.